Hi everyone, Gavin from CSV Getter here. I'm going to show you how to create live WordPress content using just a CSV file with our app, CSV Getter. So if you're new to CSV Getter, you can log on and connect to data or upload data and basically create export URLs using our platform. And these export URLs can power many things. They can power analysis processes like syncing your data with Excel, Google Sheets. They can power backup processes like getting your data into Dropbox or Google Drive, and they also power processes like this, like sending your data to WordPress, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So I log on to csvgetter.com and I press Export CSV Data. And here I can upload a CSV file. And in this example, I'm going to upload some data to do with currency. So in this CSV file, I have the currency exchange rate of every country. And using the platform, when you upload a file, you can go ahead and select it like this, and I'm going to create an export link with the CSV file. Before we continue, I thought I would just show you what this data looks like. So I've opened the CSV file in an Excel workbook, and if you're not familiar with CSV files, they're very much like Excel files, and they can be opened in Excel and used with Excel. So there's my country data there, and I've just uploaded it to the platform, and I'm going to call my export URL exchange rates. Now this export URL can serve as many things. It can be a download link for this file, it could be an API, it's just about depends how you want to use the URL. As you can see, we have all the columns of our CSV data here automatically selected. We have a sample of our data, and we have an option of all the things that we can do with this URL. So this link here would download all this data. So if you want to share CSV data, you can use the platform to do that. This link here will let you query with Excel, so you can just go ahead and start querying your CSV data. You could export the query, or you could copy a URL, which would give a live report with the SQL parameters that you've selected here. And in this case, we want to use WordPress. So with WordPress, we have these embeddable HTML snippets, which are going to work with our WordPress site. So what we've done here is we've automatically generated HTML code, which is going to basically be wrapped around the export URL that you've created. And this code works really well in WordPress custom HTML blocks. So here I've got some code, and this code is just a starting place. You can edit this code yourself, of course. But as you can see, what it does is it basically pulls everything from this API and puts it into a card. And if I were to copy and paste this code and put it into my WordPress like this, then you can see that we basically have a live feed of all the data that's in our CSV. And if we wanted to update this and update this WordPress page, all we would have to do is just re-upload and update our CSV file in CSV Getter. Another custom HTML block that we have pre-made for you is this one here, and this is essentially a table of all the data which is searchable and is in pages. So I'm just going to remove the HTML that we had before and preview a different WordPress snippet. And as you can see here, you can look at all the data and search it and paginate it as well. And if you're not happy with this, then of course you don't have to use the code as is. All these code snippets, they're available to copy and paste. You could put them into an AI tool and have the AI perform kind of whatever you want it to do. Essentially what you've created here is a data feed which you can do lots of stuff with. And it's basically the beginning, and it's all about what you want to build with this app. So I hope that kind of explains what the app does. You can do this process with live Airtable data and live Notion data as well. We have loads of documentation and guides surrounding that, and there'll be links to everything in the description. Thanks very much for watching.